Yo, what's up guys? We are back again after quite the hiatus. Quite the story. Okay, so my MNT shipment, which is what we're going to be revealing today, part of the video, kind of got stolen from me. And it took about a month to get here in grand total after shipping it. Anyway, we got the cards. Good thing. But part of the reason why I haven't been posting lately, besides the fact that I haven't had boxes, but you can see a couple in the background there, I will be breaking those for upcoming videos, is because I've been doing group breaks lately. And we'll do a reveal of some of the cards that I've been getting through those group breaks first, and then we will do a reveal of my first MNT shipment of graded cards. So, first off, we got a couple of Alexander Wenberg red border from SP Authentic. Bought a couple spots in those Razes trying to get a Pierre-Luc Dubois Future Watch. Unfortunately, did not get one. Next up, we got a Warren Fogle Rookie Premieres, numbered to 499. Sebastian Aho Blue Parallel from Trilogy, numbered to 799. Rookie Year Milestones for Steve Mason from SP Authentic. I think that's from when he won the Calder Trophy. I am pretty sure. Next up, we got a Mitch Marner Silver Skates. We've got an Authentic Moments of Austin Matthews. Super stoked that he signed his new contract and that he's locked up as a Leaf for the next 5 years. I know a lot of people are kind of arguing about the price tag, but I think it's reasonable. Mitch Marner probably will get maybe like 10.5 or 11, but anyway, next up, speaking of him, Mitch Marner, Authentic Moments. Next couple of cards here, we got a duo of LA Kings cards of Drew Doughty and Anze Kopitar. Doughty being numbered to 555 for his career penalty minutes, and Kopitar's being numbered to 538 for his career assist total. Alright, this card is super thick. Check out how thick that card is. That is ridiculous. But we got nice 2-color patch here. If it can focus. There we go. Nice 2-color patch here of Mark Scheifele, numbered to 99 from SP Game Used 15-16. And to pair it up with that one, we also have a Mark Scheifele auto from the same year. It's a sticker auto, but still nice card, and nonetheless. And next up, we got a Blake Wheeler jersey card from the same product, SP Game Used 15-16. Next up, we got an All-Star Skill Fabrics dual jersey of Dustin Byfuglien and Justin Falk. We got an Anthony Duclair PMG. These are numbered to 100, number 54 out of 100. Big fan of those PMG cards. I really like the way they look. And we got one in the stack of cards coming up after I finish going through these. Next up, we got Kevin Hayes Fleer Showcase. Real shiny card there. And the last card out of this pile is Henrik Lundqvist, number 10 out of 339 for his career wins. This is Trilogy from 15-16. Got a few more pickups here, and then we'll get on to the graded hits. First up, we got Jonathan Bernier, Young Guns, former Maple Leaf. Next up, we got an Evgeny Svechnikov, Ice Premiers, numbered at a 499. Kevin Shattenkirk, numbered at a 799 out of the Sears Trilogy. Elias Anderson, Rookie Premiers Jersey, numbered at a 499, level 1. And then to go with that, we also got the Elias Anderson Rookie Premiers level 1 regular, numbered to 999, and the Brett Howden Rookie Premiers, also numbered to 999. Next up, we got Vince Dunn Ultimate Introductions. Don't believe these ones are numbered. Yeah, I didn't think they were. Nice card though, nonetheless. Next up, we got Nico Hischier Black Lustrous Rookies, numbered to 299. And then we got Julius Honka Ultimate Rookies Autograph, numbered out of 199. Excuse me there, guys. I'm getting a dry mouth. Next up, we got Rod Brind'Amour Impressions, numbered at a 249. I believe this is SB Game Used. No, SPX. Next up, we got an Enshrinements from the Cup, Nikolai Ehlers, numbered at a 99. Super thick card as well, almost as thick as that Mark Scheifele patch. Really nice card. And we're going to end it off with a couple bangers. We got a William Nylander Future Watch Auto, numbered out of 999. Super happy about getting this card. There you go. And the final card before we get on to the graded hits is this super sick Henrik Lundqvist Black and White Auto Patch 3-color, numbered 1 out of 27 from Splendor. Super sick card. Alright, get these out of the way. Oh yeah, there's one more thing I wanted to point out too. Looks like Willie's auto kind of changed over time from his Future Watch to this puck I got here. I think this is AJ Sports World, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, pretty sure it's AJ Sports World, but yeah, just thought I'd point that out. Kind of interesting how his auto doesn't have the E and the R in his Future Watch auto. Anyway, let's get on to the graded hits. First up, we got Miro Heiskanen Young Guns Canvas, 9.5. Next up, Matthew Tkachuk Young Guns, also 9.5. If you want to check out the subgrades, guys, you can just pause the video and all that. I'm just going to say the overalls. Next up, we got Rasmus Dahlin, 9 mint. Kind of thought that would get a 9.5, but I'm not bad about getting a 9. Next up, we got William Nylander, 9.5 gem mint. And then we got Matthew Barzal, 9.5 gem mint. Johnny Gaudreau, 9.5. Patrick Laine, 9.5. Nikita Kucherov, 9.5. Elias Pettersson, 9.5. Mitch Marner, 9. which is okay. And this is the lowest grade we got in the entire submissions, was this 8.5 Austin Matthews PMG Blue from Fleer Showcase. Got an 8.5 on that one. And then to close it out, we got 9.5 on the Austin Matthews Young Gun, and another 9.5 on another Austin Matthews Young Gun. Well, that's it, guys. I'm gonna probably record these box breaks at some point later on, but I thought I would give you guys an update on why there hasn't been a whole lot of content on the channel lately, and I thought it would be fun to share my first submission order for graded cards and some of the cards that I've gotten through the group breaks. But yeah, look out for box of Series 2 retail in the back there, hoping to get the McDavid Young Gun Canvas or the Jack Eichel. And look out for this too, Series 2 hobby box of 17-18, looking to get the Clayton Keller or the Nolan Patrick. Also, it would be really nice to get the Boser Young Guns canvas, or any kind of exclusive Young Guns, really. But anyway, guys, that's it for now. Peace.